In a land where birds of all shapes and sizes ruled the skies, there lived a humble quail named Quincy. Quincy was known for his eloquence, a trait unusual among his feathered friends. He could speak with the wisdom of the aged and the grace of the young. One day, a great storm swept across the land, and the skies grew dark and ominous. The birds, fearful of the tempest, sought refuge in the tallest trees. Quincy, however, remained on the ground, his wings folded close to his body. The other birds, concerned, approached Quincy. "Quincy," they called, "why do you not fly away? The storm is fierce." Quincy replied, "Friends, the storm may cause us to lose our way in the dark. But I will not let fear guide me. I will find shelter where I am, and trust that the storm will pass." The storm raged for 3 days, and the birds watched as Quincy huddled in a small burrow, his voice a comforting presence among the chaos. On the 4th day, the storm subsided, and the sun shone once more. The birds returned to find Quincy, safe and unharmed. They marveled at his courage and his trust in the face of adversity. In that moment, they realized that eloquence was not just about speaking beautifully, but about standing firmly in the face of adversity. From that day forth, Quincy was not just a quail, but a symbol of courage, wisdom, and the power of trust. His story became a reminder that in the face of fear, one must stand firm, trust in oneself, and let the storm pass.